How to transfer USDT from Bybit to Gate.io. To start the process, after you open up now your Bybit like this now, all you have to do now, close the Bybit and go to your Gate.io. So I'll go back to my Gate.io. After you open the Gate.io like this, now tap on this asset and go to deposit. Now go to on-chain deposit. Now go and search for USDT at the top. After you search for USDT like this, now here is it now, select the USDT. From this option, now go and select the network. I'll scroll to down and tap on this network. I'll use this one. After you select the network, now here is the address. So now tap on this copy address. After you copy the address, now go back to Bybit. After Bybit, now tap on this asset again. Go to withdraw on Bybit, withdraw. So from the withdraw section here, you'll be able to see all the list of the. Make sure to check on this option now. Check on this option which says hide, this one which says hide zero balance. So from there, you'll be able to see all your assets and select the USDT. After you select the USDT, now here is it. Now paste in the address in this option. So I'll paste in the address in this option now. After I paste in the address in this option, now scroll to down and tap on this network and select the network that you copy. Make sure to remember your network. My own is, here is now Aptos, this one. So after you select your network like this, now scroll to down and type in the amount that you want to withdraw. I'll tap on this max. So I want to withdraw all. So after you tap in the amount, at the bottom you'll be able to see the withdrawal P. So tap on this withdraw button. So from this option, now tap on this confirm button. Just tap on this confirm. So now it will send you a code through your email address and your Google Authenticator to confirm. So just tap on this get code. So now they send you a code through your email address, and you should be able to copy in. Go and open now your Google Authenticator and copy the address again. So after you copy the address, just tap on confirm. After you tap on the confirm button, so now it will show you this message which says withdrawal application submitted. So now tap on this OK. So now I withdraw my money. If you want to see the history, just tap on this history at the top right side. So from this option now you'll be able to see your withdrawal status. Now my withdrawal status is under review. So I'll wait for like 1 minute, and from there my USDT will be transferred into my Gateio account. And that's it, guys.